Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I am showing you my room that is a mess. It was very cluttered, so I just wanted to figure out a way I can organize it and make it look cute and expensive. As you can see, I am pushing in my shelf that I bought from Target. I will have everything listed down below if you can see it exactly how much it is. Nothing in my room was that expensive. I was kind of struggling a little bit just because I'm on carpet and I didn't even know if it was going to fit in there. Alright, so I have a bunch of papers and just stuff that I collect in that duffel bag, and pretty much everything I had on my shelf, I just want to put it in something cute, so I bought these fabric storage bins. I bought 2 of them, very cheap, just to put all that stuff in there. I also, on Amazon, I went and found some lights that go above your countertops or whatever, but I'm going to use it on my shelf. I accidentally bought the wrong ones, so here's just me looking at them because I just finally realized I bought the wrong ones. There's only 3, but it's okay, we're gonna make it work. And also these you have to press, you can't just use a remote, which that's the whole reason why I bought them, but it's okay, we're gonna make it work. So of course I added some vines on my wall. It was very plain. I didn't want to have anything really there, so I decided to put these vines, but I did it kind of at a slant just so it looks a little bit different from the other side of my room. If you wanted to see how I hung these up, go ahead and watch my other video. Alright, so this is it. This is the final look of my closet. We're gonna go ahead and go into my closet, show you what exactly I did. So, starting off at the top of my closet, I bought these frames from Ross. They were literally like $5. How beautiful. It made it look more elegant and I loved it so much. These fabric storage bins made it look so much cleaner and nice and organized. So basically, I just reorganized all of my shelves. I bought a laundry basket towards the left. As you can see, I kind of went away from it. But underneath my shelves, of course, is the lights. I just organized everything, took off that bar, put a smaller bar, hung up my clothes, and I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope this encourages you to change your room around, reorganize, try something different. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social media. And thank you again so much for watching. Bye.